Number 1 starts out with green tea. Green tea is very well known for clearing out any bacteria that can cause issues in the mouth. This comes down to the high levels of antioxidants and something called polyphenols. The polyphenols are what actually takes down the bacteria and reduces inflammation. In fact, in studies, green tea actually helped to improve people's breath even more than gum or a mint. This is because it kills the microbes that make our mouth smell bad. Think about that next time you have a date. Moving on to number 2, we have cranberries. Cranberries also contain those polyphenols we were just talking about. In fact, cranberries have been shown to reduce plaque buildup in the mouth. Research indicated that cranberries also can help with preventing tooth decay as well because they contain an important phytochemical called olenolic acid. Olenolic acid can help to prevent bacteria buildup in the mouth called Streptococcus mutans, which can cause cavities. If you're liking the video so far, make sure you subscribe and follow us on Instagram at healthyourself_YT and comment down below saying I subscribed, and we'll make sure to respond as we post short videos every 2 days. Number 3 is any kind of fatty fish. Most popular for being a great source of protein, it also contains vitamin D, which can help to reduce tooth decay. This gets some help from its sidekick vitamin A, which can strengthen tooth enamel with calcium. The obvious, which we know by now, is that oily fish contain omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s help to support the health of your gums. The best fish to choose is tuna or salmon, as they have the highest levels of both vitamin D and omega-3 fatty acids. Number 4 moves on to cheese. Cheese specifically is great for your teeth. This low sugar and high calcium food is rich in a protein called casein. Casein is a protein that is well known for strengthening tooth enamel. The calcium in the cheese is used to strengthen overall bone density as well. One unique factor about cheese is that it contains a trace mineral called phosphate. Phosphate can balance our pH levels in the mouth, which protects our teeth. Finally, at number 5, we have something called cacao nibs. Cacao nibs are essentially pieces of the cacao bean that have no sugar or added fats. It can oddly enough help to stop the formation of plaque on teeth and prevent cavities by stopping bacteria dead in its tracks. They are definitely not as sweet as chocolate, but can be used in smoothies, parfaits, and even baking. Who said chocolate is always bad for you? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below your favorite part, and we'll make sure to respond. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of healthy eating tips, nutrition facts, and much more.